Welcome to part 1 of 2 videos about stable diffusion styles and how you can use them in online AI image generators. If you are lucky enough to have decent hardware and a decent graphics card and have Automatic 1111 or Focus installed, then part 2 will show you how you can add these styles to your installation if you don't already have them. I've created a web page with nearly 1,000 text styles that I've gathered from various places. I didn't create any of them, but I did format them so that they could all be used in one place. Text styles are just additional text added to your prompt to influence the outcome. So let me show you how you can have fun online for free with these styles. Once you've navigated to my page, you will need to open up a tab for your AI image generator. At the bottom of my page is a link to the free Stable Diffusion AI image generator. Click on that. Make sure it opens. Let's try a simple prompt as a test. I'm going to put a man wearing a sombrero hat and a white winter jacket. Click Generate. Excellent. Now let's apply some styles. Go back to my page. In the top right corner you can select a category of styles. Once selected, you can click or tap on any of the styles and we'll see sample images displayed to the right. Click on an image to see it in better detail. Each of the 4 images are created from 4 simple prompts: man sitting in a park, cute little puppy outside, room with a big window, and detached building. Find a style that you want to try and then click on the custom prompt link to the right of the samples. This will expand, and now you can type or paste your prompt at the top, like this. Underneath you can see your prompt integrated into the style prompt. To see the samples again, just click Custom Prompt. Now to implement the style. Click on Positive. It should copy the prompt. Switch to the Stable Diffusion tab, right-click and paste into the positive prompt field, which on this site is the top one. Now do the same for the negative prompt and paste it into the box below the positive one. If they don't copy, you can always copy and paste the text manually. All done. Now let's generate the image with the style text. And there it is. Keep on clicking Generate for varied results. If you want to try other styles with the same prompt, then simply select another style and copy and paste the prompts over again. My page will retain the prompt until you either change it or close the page. If you need a refresher of how to use the page, just scroll down and click Info and Instructions. All the links you need are in the description of this video. Let's finish up with a few more examples.